Okay, I want to show off this feature called coding expertise on Grepper. So the way it works is if you go to your profile, you'll need to be at least a yellow belt and you'll need to enable coding activity. And the reason you need to be at least a yellow belt is partially we want to encourage people to, get a higher belt rank and reward people for who have at least a yellow belt. But also, in order for this to be meaningful, we just need to have enough kind of daily information about what languages you're coding in and what frameworks you're coding in order for it to make any sense. So again, yellow belt and enabled coding activity. And what you'll see once you've done that and you've had coding activity enabled for a while is you'll see this expertise kind of pie chart show up. And it's really made for being able to share on LinkedIn and or any other kind of professional network so that an employer can kind of give a look at and get a quick view of what frameworks and languages that you work in. I know employers really like to see this so they can feel out, oh, this person's a good fit, or maybe the technology isn't a good fit. But I think it could really help Grepper developers land jobs, which is part of what Grepper does. So the way it works is on the outside, you can see here the frameworks that you work in. So I work a lot in Laravel, Django, Node, React, Bootstrap. And then on the inside here, you can see the actual underlying code languages. So I spend most of my time in JavaScript. I work a lot in PHP, MySQL, Python shell, and CSS. And then if you hover over here, you can just see a little bit more information about me. I'm a brown belt, kind of where I rank in the Grepper community. And so that's the basics of this. And you can see this is kind of built based on all of your coding activity. So what answers that you're hitting and viewing and also the frameworks and stuff. So what you can do is share this on LinkedIn. So you just click this share on LinkedIn and you'll need to authorize LinkedIn if it's your first time. And this is actually what you'll be sharing. It's this page. And so this is what employers or anyone else will see when you share this post. So it's kind of your coding expertise little pie chart here with all the information. They'll be able to hover over and see just like this. And then just a little write-up about how you rank, what languages that you work in, the percentiles as far as the Grepper developers, and also the framework. So I'm going to go ahead and post it on LinkedIn. And we got to see my post. There it is. So I just posted that on LinkedIn. And if anyone clicks it, again, they'll be taken here. And they'll just be able to see this little overview of me. So this is what employers or everyone will be able to see. And you could also set the post. There it shows up right there. So I think that's good. But so that's the basics of how your coding expertise works. Feel free to let us know if you have any feedback on the coding expertise or want any additional features. And also if it's helpful for you getting a job, that'd be awesome. Thanks so much, and bye for now.